Welcome to the modern elite. Here is the truth most guys won't admit. Women chase men they don't even have to work for. And no, it's not about money, looks, or a fancy car. That's the first lie society sells you. The real reason is about subtle energy, confidence, and behavior that most men overlook. If you've been grinding, trying to impress, sending endless texts, or overthinking every interaction, you've probably been going about it all wrong. I'm about to drop a reality bomb. The men women chase are often the ones who don't chase at all. They don't plead, they don't over-explain, and they certainly don't try to win her over with cheesy lines. Yet somehow women are drawn to them. Why? Because these men carry a certain unshakable confidence and calm. It's the kind of energy that makes people curious, intrigued, and yes, wanting more. Now, before you get defensive, understand this isn't about playing games or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about mastering simple traits that amplify your natural appeal. It's about making her feel the urge to pursue you, not the other way around. And here's the kicker. Most men actively destroy this by being too available, too eager, or too predictable. Throughout this video, I'm going to break down the exact behaviors and subtle signals that trigger this unconscious attraction. These are things that, when done right, make women chase you without you even lifting a finger. Some of them might feel counterintuitive. Some might challenge what you've been taught about dating and attraction. But I promise once you get this, your approach to women changes forever. If you're ready to stop chasing and start being chased, pay close attention, because what you're about to learn isn't just a tip, it's a complete shift in how attraction works. 1. Stop trying too hard. Most men think attraction is earned by effort. They text first, compliment constantly, and overplan every move. Here's the hard truth. Trying too hard pushes women away. It signals neediness, insecurity, and a lack of inner value. Women aren't attracted to desperation. They're attracted to men who have their own life, their own standards, and their own calm energy. The key is to step back and let things flow naturally. Stop overthinking every message, every reaction, every date. When you try too hard, you give her control over your emotions. That's the opposite of attraction. Women feel the pull when a man is comfortable in his own skin, not when he's constantly seeking approval. This doesn't mean ignoring her or being rude. It means being confident enough to not force attention, yet present enough to show interest subtly. It's about letting your actions, energy, and lifestyle speak louder than words. Women notice men who don't chase endlessly. They feel drawn to that calm assurance. Imagine this, you meet a woman at a cafe. Instead of texting her every day to confirm if she's free, you wait, focus on your own hobbies, and reply with a short, confident message like, "Sounds good, see you Friday." You don't over-explain, you don't apologize, and you don't beg for attention. The result, she respects your time. She notices your calm energy, and she's more likely to be interested in pursuing you because you're not desperate. When you stop trying too hard, several things happen. Increase your value in her eyes, create natural tension, and give her the space to want you more. It's not manipulation. It's simply letting the natural dynamics of attraction work in your favor. Remember, effort should feel effortless. Focus on being your best self, on your passions, on your life. When you stop trying to control her feelings, you actually become more magnetic without doing extra work. The men women chase are the ones who don't chase at all. That's the controversial part most guys refuse to accept, but once you understand it, you'll see results almost immediately. 2. Be unavailable, not cold. Here's something most men get completely wrong. Being available 24/7 does not make you attractive. In fact, it often makes you predictable and boring. Women are naturally drawn to men who have their own priorities and life because it signals independence, confidence, and self-respect. Now, being unavailable doesn't mean being cold, distant, or ignoring her completely. That's a mistake that kills attraction. The trick is to be selectively available to show interest without sacrificing your own time, energy, or passions. When a man masters this balance, women feel the pull to chase him rather than the push to escape. Being unavailable creates subtle tension. Women notice when a man has boundaries, a busy schedule, and a life he loves. They sense that he isn't waiting around for validation, and that makes them curious. Curiosity fuels attraction. Mystery and space make her want to pursue you. Example, you've been talking to a woman and she invites you to hang out the same evening. Instead of dropping everything, you respond, "I'd love to, but I've got some things to handle today. How about tomorrow evening?" You're not ignoring her. You're showing that your life is important, but you're still making room for her. She notices that you're not desperate or overly eager. And now she's more engaged because she's chasing a man who has standards and priorities. The principle here is simple. Attraction grows when you have options and self-respect. You don't need to overcompensate with attention or gifts. Women naturally gravitate toward men who are confident, busy, and purposeful. Being available too often communicates the opposite. It says, I have nothing else going on. I'll wait for you. That kills desire instantly. The controversial truth. Most men think ignoring a woman is cold or cruel. But when done correctly, strategic unavailability increases attraction because it respects your life and subtly signals value. Women feel the urge to engage, to connect, and to chase rather than being passive recipients of your attention. Master this and you'll notice a dramatic shift in how women respond. Your calm independence will speak louder than any words or effort you could throw at them. Being unavailable is not about rejection, it's about respect for yourself and your time. That's the invisible pull that makes women chase without you even trying. 3. Confidence looks. Here's a fact most guys refuse to accept. Women chase confidence, not faces. You could be average looking, tall, short, skinny, or bulky. It doesn't matter. What matters is how you carry yourself, how you hold your energy, and how you react to life. Confidence is the silent magnet that draws women in without you even saying a word. Think about it. The guy who walks into a room with his head up, relaxed shoulders, and calm energy gets noticed. The guy with perfect features but slouched, anxious, and desperate for approval. He fades into the background. Women instinctively read energy more than appearances. Your confidence signals that you value yourself, and that's irresistible. Confidence isn't about bragging or showing off. It's about being comfortable in your own skin. It's about not overthinking interactions, not overanalyzing text messages, and not needing constant validation. It's showing that you're secure in your life, secure in your worth, and secure in your ability to attract someone without forcing it. Most men get caught up in trying to look the part. They buy expensive clothes, hit the gym obsessively, or chase social approval. That can help a little, but it's meaningless without confidence. You could be wearing designer shoes and still come off as needy if your energy screams insecurity. Women notice the difference instantly. It's in how you carry yourself, how you speak, and how you handle challenges. Relatable moment. You've probably seen a guy who isn't traditionally handsome, maybe even awkward at first glance. Yet women gravitate toward him. Why? He's confident, he's comfortable. He doesn't overcompensate. He lives his life on his terms, and women chase that energy because it's rare, genuine, and exciting. The controversial truth is this. Confidence can often make an average guy more desirable than a perfect-looking guy who lacks it. It's not about changing your face, body, or background. It's about changing how you feel about yourself. Work on owning your life, owning your decisions, and owning your space. When you do that, attraction becomes effortless. Women notice it, women respect it, and most importantly, women chase it. 4. Silence is magnetic. Here's a harsh truth most men refuse to hear. You talk too much and it's killing your chances. You think filling every pause with words shows interest or intelligence, but in reality, it often signals insecurity and neediness. Women aren't impressed by constant chatter. They're drawn to men who know when to speak and when to stay quiet. Silence is magnetic because it creates curiosity. When you don't over-explain yourself or respond to every message immediately, you make her wonder what you're thinking, what you're doing, and who you really are. That curiosity is a subtle form of attraction. Women love to chase a man who isn't fully readable, who doesn't hand over his energy for free. Here's where most men fail. They try to fill every space with words, overshare personal details too soon, or text nonstop to prove they care. That behavior kills desire. You might think being open and expressive makes you relatable, but too much exposure early makes you predictable and boring. Women don't want a diary. They want a challenge, a spark, a presence they can't fully figure out. Wake up, guys. If you're constantly explaining yourself or feeling the need to justify your actions, you're pushing women away. Attraction isn't about being fully understood. It's about leaving something for her to discover. It's about holding your energy, respecting your time, and maintaining a presence that feels effortless yet magnetic. The advice is simple. Talk less, live more, and be confident in your quiet. Don't feel the need to comment on every post, reply to every text immediately, or narrate every thought. Focus on your passions, your goals, your friendships, and your life. When you show that your time and attention are valuable, women naturally respond to that energy. Being silent strategically doesn't make you rude or distant. It makes you irresistible. It shows you aren't desperate for validation and that your life is full without her needing to fill it. That subtle restraint is what makes women chase you without you trying. Men, here's the wake-up call. Stop over-explaining, stop seeking approval, and stop killing attraction with unnecessary words. Silence is power. Use it wisely, master it, and you'll notice the shift. Women will engage more, pursue more, and respect the man who doesn't give it all away at once. 5. Let her work for it. Here's a truth most men refuse to face. If you make everything easy for a woman, she loses interest. Attraction isn't about giving, bending over backward, or doing everything to impress. Women are naturally drawn to men who hold their values, set boundaries, and make her earn a piece of their attention. Most men get it backward. They think constant availability, instant replies, and over-the-top gestures will make a woman chase them. The reality, it makes you predictable, boring, and less desirable. When a woman feels like she's getting everything effortlessly, her brain registers comfort, not excitement, and desire is fueled by challenge, curiosity, and a little uncertainty. Letting her work for it doesn't mean being mean or manipulative. It means maintaining your life, your standards, and your self-respect. It's about creating a dynamic where she has to invest in you emotionally rather than passively receiving all your attention. Women subconsciously chase what requires effort because effort signals value. Too many men fail here. They compromise their boundaries, lower their standards, and overcommit in hopes of winning affection. That approach often backfires. Instead of admiration, they get habitual attention that isn't respected or reciprocated. Attraction thrives on balance. Show interest, but don't hand it out freely. Keep a little mystery, a little tension, and a sense that your energy is valuable. Men need to wake up. Desperation is invisible, effort is visible, and control is magnetic. Women sense when you're too available, too easy to please, or too quick to respond. That signals neediness, and desire fades. But when you hold your space, live your life fully, and maintain your boundaries, she feels the pull to engage, pursue, and invest in you naturally. The most attractive men aren't the ones who chase. They're the ones who let her chase them. They focus on their goals, their passions, and their happiness, while allowing a woman to demonstrate her interest through her actions. That shift in energy is subtle but powerful. It's the difference between being a man who fights for attention and a man who commands it effortlessly. If you want women to chase you without trying, learn this principle. Your attention is your currency. Don't spend it freely. Make her want it. Let her work for it. Respect yourself and attraction will follow naturally. 6. Mystery trumps transparency. Here's something most men completely misunderstand. Oversharing kills attraction. Men think being open about everything. Your past, your emotions, your every thought makes you relatable or trustworthy. The truth, it often makes you predictable, boring, and less desirable. Women are drawn to men who maintain a little mystery, those they can't fully figure out immediately. Mystery creates curiosity, and curiosity fuels desire. When a man keeps some things to himself, when he doesn't reveal every detail or over-explain his intentions, women naturally feel the urge to discover him. They engage more, invest emotionally, and chase what isn't handed to them on a silver platter. That subtle tension makes interaction exciting. If most men get it wrong because they confuse transparency with authenticity, yes, being genuine is important, but that doesn't mean giving away all your cards at once. There's a difference between being honest about who you are and revealing everything in one go. Mystery isn't deceit. It's simply holding your energy and pace, allowing a woman to meet you gradually, piece by piece. Let's be real, you've probably noticed it yourself. The guy who seems fully composed, calm, and private, even if he isn't the loudest or most outgoing, often gets more attention than the guy who spills everything immediately. Women notice subtle energy, confidence, and the ability to keep life layered and interesting. That's the magnetic part. They chase what they want but can't fully grasp. Here's the wake-up call. Stop trying to prove everything about yourself. You don't need to justify your past, explain every action, or reveal your deepest thoughts right away. When you maintain some enigma, you force her to lean in, pay attention, and invest emotionally. That makes her want you without you doing anything extra. The controversial truth. Most men believe transparency equals attraction, but it often does the opposite. Oversharing signals insecurity and neediness. Mystery signals value, confidence, and independence. Women respond to men who hold their energy, who live fully without giving away all their inner world at once. Master this and you'll notice a huge difference. Interactions feel electric. Women engage more actively and you naturally become the prize without trying to be one. In the world of attraction, less is almost always more. Keep some things to yourself, maintain intrigue, and let curiosity do the work. 7. Own your life. Don't wait for her. Here's a reality check most men refuse to hear. Your life comes first, not her attention. Too many guys build their schedules, moods, and priorities around a woman they like, hoping she'll chase them in return. The problem, that approach destroys attraction. Women aren't drawn to men who pause their life for them. They're drawn to men who live fully no matter what. When you own your life, it means you have goals, passions, and routines that don't depend on a woman's presence. You invest in yourself, your career, your hobbies, your friendships, and you don't let someone else's attention dictate your happiness. That energy is magnetic because it signals independence, confidence, and value. Women can sense when a man is fully available emotionally and physically too soon, and most often it kills desire. Men often think patience or waiting shows respect or love. The truth, waiting too long or putting her above your own life signals low self-worth. Women subconsciously notice that, and instead of admiration, they feel no challenge. The most attractive men are already living, already thriving, and they don't pause for validation. They make women want to step into their world, not the other way around. This doesn't mean ignoring a woman or being cold. It's about maintaining your independence while engaging meaningfully. You're present when it matters, but you never lose yourself trying to impress or please. That balance makes women chase without effort because she sees a man who isn't desperate but is fully alive and in control. Wake up, guys. The controversial truth is that most men waste time trying to win a woman instead of building a life she would want to be part of. Attraction grows when you're living boldly and unapologetically. Women chase the energy of a man who has purpose, drive, and fulfillment outside of her attention. Owning your life means your happiness doesn't depend on her, and that creates irresistible freedom. When a woman senses that a man's life is rich, full, and self-sustaining, she wants in. She wants to engage, contribute, and be part of that energy. The men who are chased aren't waiting. They're living their bold, independent, and unapologetically themselves. Master this and you'll notice the shift. Women pursue naturally. Attraction flows, and your value skyrockets, not because of effort, but because of the life you already own. Conclusion, 300 words. Here's the most controversial truth of all. Women don't chase men because they love them. They chase men because they feel something they can't get from anyone else. That's it. It's raw. It's uncomfortable. And most men refuse to hear it. You can be rich, handsome, or kind, but if your energy screams neediness, predictability, or desperation, she will lose interest. Attraction isn't about what you do. It's about how you exist. All the principles we covered, stopping the chase, being unavailable, mastering confidence, embracing silence, maintaining mystery, letting her work for it, and owning your life. Point to one idea. Be a man she wants to pursue, not a man she settles for. It's not about manipulation. It's about aligning your energy, your life, and your presence so that women feel drawn to you naturally. Now, I want you to take this seriously. Stop trying to be liked. Stop over-explaining yourself. Stop chasing approval. Start focusing on your own goals, your passions, and your independence. When you do, you'll notice women seeking your attention instead of the other way around. That shift is subtle but powerful. It changes everything. I want to hear from you. Comment below with your experiences. Whether you've struggled with chasing or noticed a woman suddenly pursuing you after changing your approach, I read every single comment and I'll reach out to connect personally. Let's talk about what worked, what didn't, and how you can apply these principles in real life. Remember, the world of attraction is not about luck, looks, or effort. It's about energy, presence, and self-mastery. Master that and you stop chasing, she starts chasing, and that's the game most men will never understand. But you can.